Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for dollar.bank account online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to sign up for online banking on dollar.bank so that you can view up-to-date activity and balances, easily transfer money between your accounts, and so much more, then the first thing to do is to open up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in dollar.bank and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official site of dollar.bank, which looks like this. You'll be able to see the login area into online banking on the right hand side of the screen. If you already have an online access, you can enter your user ID followed by a password and log into your account. If you want to sign up or register for an online banking account, then click on the sign up link at the bottom. You'll be able to see this disclosure page. Scroll all the way down. Go through the eSign Act disclosure and consent page, go through the information, and at the bottom click on the accept button. On the next page, fill up the form displayed on the left hand side. Enter your first name that is associated with your bank account, and then on the next field, type in your last name. Enter your social security number and enter your date of birth information on the next. After entering your date of birth, enter your email address. While entering your information, make sure to enter the same information that is registered with your dollar.bank account. Once you are done, click the submit button. And once your identity has been verified, you'll be able to finish off your registration process. Follow the on-screen prompts till the end and you'll be able to finish up signing up for online banking for dollar.bank. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.